In this quick video guide, we're going to see this tool called Outpainting in Prome AI website. So I'm going to open up the website here, Prome AI. We already created other video guides about Prome AI tools. So just create an account and then you'll be able to use the tools. And you have a free version and a premium version. And free version allows you to do a lot of things which are pretty helpful to test and try and see how things work. So I'm going to go here in the tools, and this is the list of the AI tools. I'm going to go to Outpainting in the image editing section. And again, if you're interested, you can see other video guides for other tools here. So Outpainting, how does it work? Well, it starts like all the other tools. So you can discover and remix, meaning that you can start from an image of this, which have been probably created by other users with the same tool, with the same outpainting tool. So you can have an idea of various possibilities like illustration, photography, and painting, just architecture, design, whatever. Generation history. This is where you can start to upload your images. So you can use some images down here if you want to just try it, or you can go into your assets, or you can just click on choose an image. So you have different options here. I'm gonna go with an image that I have. So I'm gonna click and navigate into my works folder. I'm gonna look for photo and video, and I have some photos here. I'm just gonna get one of these, like, kind of random. Okay, so this will be fine. I'm gonna open up, and now the image is being uploaded, and when it's ready I can start to work on that. So there it is. Now it's appear on the left. Also there is a problem. Okay, it exceeds the 2K for resolution, so it's gonna make it smaller, but then we can make it bigger again using premium tools. So this is the original image, and as you can see, there is like a checkerboard around. That's the area that can be generated. Now, if you want, in the left side, you can also add some prompt. So you can add text, words, and you have some other adjustments here. So you can select a format, or you can create a custom size. But let's go for like 21 to 9, and okay, I'm gonna close this. So you can see now it's much wider than before. It's pretty wide, but I really like it. And this gives me the possibility also to extend a little bit the image, and also to use all that, again, checkerboard area to generate missing content. So I'm gonna make this big. I can move it to the left, to the right, can change the position. Here I have also fast mode, but that's for premium users. And then I have also the possibility to change how many image, but again, that's some of these features are locked. You need to be a premium user for that. Otherwise, let's just test this with the free version, and I'm gonna type here some words. So I want to do something here, maybe add a surfing man, so a man standing on a surfboard or something. You can also click on enhance, and that's going to help you to generate a better text, or let's say a more detailed text. Maybe you don't need all of that, but you can try. So I'm just going to try and click on generate, and this is using 0.3 coins, so not much, not too many. So this is the amount of coins I have, and like they're gonna restart every month. So when I finish this free coins, then I'm done. I need to wait for the next month. So that's another limit of the non-paid version, the non-premium version. But to make some tests, I think again this is fine. We can see how everything works. Of course, you have more power, more functions, and more everything in the premium version, but this still works fine. And this is also, kind of new, so we need to wait, I guess, a little bit to have better content generated. And so you can see that these are the three options that I have, three variants. So I can click on one to make it bigger, and to see in details. So we can check what has been created here. So you can see now it's pretty wide. And yeah, you can see that definitely there is an extra part. Like we have this path we didn't have in the previous image. So some things they work better, some things less. Here, this is not really good. That's the second image, and that's the third. So yeah, you can see the word is kind of changing in there. It's not merging perfectly. Here, I think the best one is this one here. I like the pot. It looks pretty realistic, but on the right side, the C has just a different pattern in a way. But again, probably by increasing the size and the number of pixels, so with a higher resolution, this will work better, definitely. And I'm gonna remove all the tags. I didn't see the surfing man, so I'm just gonna type only that. I wanna see a surfing man, or if it doesn't appear, I can change it, just be more specific and say I want to see a man standing on a surfboard. I can change the lightness here, brightness, so you see it. And also autofill means that it's going to like uh, change the size of some elements in the scene. And let's generate again. So again, 0 0.3 coins to do another try, and you can continue with this. I'm just gonna stop here, but there you go. I can see something there. So let's see on the last image here, and there you go. We have a strange man standing on a surfboard, and also like it looks like a wave or something, or like waterfall in there. I didn't ask for that, but you know, this is what AI does. It generates content like a little bit randomly sometimes. And that's the, you can see here the before and after, so we can see the checkerboard part. And yeah, we can see all the others. We can edit this. We can continue, and using other tools, we can erase things. We can add, generate things. We can change the sky in the background. We can change the color. So we have really a lot of tools in Prome AI. There is really a lot of choice here. Now, these are the main ones that we are discovering little by little in other video guides. Now you can also continue here and remix the image, and you can publish, you can download, you can share with other people, you can edit this and download it. So if you download, for the full download, you need a premium version, otherwise you have just a preview download. And you can go to the HD upscaler, which is gonna make more details and probably make things a little bit more realistic. And I was saying, as I was saying before, these AI tools are just, you know, they're just newborn. So we need to give it some time to, I think, to evolve. So well, that's another one side by side. And that's it. I think it's good enough for this video guide. I hope you enjoy it. If you want to stay updated, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support us, you want to thank us, you can join the channel as a supporter and check our other video guides and video courses that we publish every day. And if you want to see something specific, you can also type in the comments some suggestions, and also for other users. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video guide.